Hi, notary friends. This is Laura with CoachMeLaura.com and owner of At Your Service Mobile Notary. I thought I'd share with you after I completed my 6th hospital assignment just this week. It went smooth as butter, but it wasn't always that way for me. I developed a 4-step plan that helps me move through that appointment efficiently without issue. I thought I'd share that with you today. First of all, I qualify the patient. I want to make sure that they're alert and aware. I also need to make sure they have valid photo ID and then that they can sign unassisted. Also, the document. The document is a problem. A lot of times they think I, the notary, will bring them the document. And of course, that's the unauthorized practice of law for me. So I'm going to make recommendations about that, such as go to a LegalZoom or Rocket Lawyer. If it's a power of attorney healthcare, check the Department of Social Services. They usually have them there. The other thing is I have backup plans because when they say they don't have their ID, then I have a plan. Well, what about credible witnesses? And if they say they can't sign unassisted, I have a plan. What about a signature by mark? So these are ways that I can help accommodate and save the appointment. Now, other accommodations for this environment are important. You're in a hospital situation, limited space, so don't count on their bedside table. It's got flowers, it's got water, it might have breakfast. Instead, bring a clipboard. Another reason that is a great idea is that not all patients can sit up all the way. They may have to sign semi-reclining, and the clipboard gives you that flexibility. The other thing is reader glasses. I cannot tell you how many times that somebody can't find their glasses, and I have an extra pair of readers, just enough, about 1.5 power, so they can sign their name to the document, and that helps move things along. The last thing is make it easy for them to do business with you. Quote up front what the expected cost will be and offer what the payment options will be for you. For instance, check, credit card, cash. How are you going to do that? All of these things have really minimized unnecessary trips as well as shortened the length of time I need to take in that assignment. I hope that was helpful for you. And if you have more questions about hospital signings, you can go to my website, CoachMeLaura.com, on the resources page. Check in with you soon.